Hello, my friends, dear brothers and sisters. It is me, Josh, your host in this channel. So, today I'm gonna talk about Mama Mary's yes in the gospel. So, just like Mama Mary, I just wanna ask to the viewers or you, brothers and sisters who are watching this video, did you say yes to God's call or decline it? So, we should reflect that in that question na we should be like Mama Mary, saying yes always to God's call and will. I know many of us here is being doubtful. Many of us here are in the situation where we will just lost. But friends, brothers, and sisters of Christ, don't be doubtful as always. Huwag kang matakot pag tinawag ka ni Lord na in a certain way you are being called for a reason. If you are going to be called in a priesthood or to be a father, everything on earth has its purpose. And many of us here are missing something that is more valuable that I can see around us, is that we are lack of faith. Many of us pray but didn't answer God's call on us. Remember that many are called and few are chosen. So that's it, my friend. I hope you learned something in today's gospel. And even though this video is not perfect, but we should have an assignment to be reflected on. That is, do you say, or do I say yes to Jesus' call? So that's it, my friend. I hope you have a good day. See you in my future videos. And my friend, always have faith.